All right, so we did the initial sanding in here. We'll continue with this room, hand scraping where these finish can't be removed, and then hand sanding along the length of the grain. We installed all of our dust proofing. We did the preliminary sanding in the kitchen, up to and under the cabinets, made some samples. Here's a sample I think you may very much like. It keeps it the light color natural with this and adds a little bit of the white that you were looking for. These samples haven't dried yet. This one is going to show just the natural clear wood. That one has a white effect, and this one is going to have an ambering effect as it dries. So we'll come back to visit those samples when they're dry. But that's dust proofed. Yeah, good progress today. And we already saw the upstairs patchwork that's done. There was some more sanding that happened up here today on the perimeters. And of course, the floor is patched here. Some more sanding happened up here with the edger machine along the edges. Yeah, they got into the closet and got over into this area under there and here and there. Okay. Looking good, nice progress. We worked on Saturday.